Hi everyone, welcome back. Again, another easy recipe this evening. We're going to do a sort of Mediterranean, a little bit Greek influences. We're going to do a baked cod in lemon and garlic. I'm Rob Stubbs. Welcome to my kitchen. Okay, another very simple recipe, 10 minutes worth of prep, a little while in the oven, 10-15 minutes, ready to go. Dead straightforward. So, cod loin, some parsley, lemon, garlic, some plain flour because we're going to dredge them through and we're going to sear it in a hot pan, some coriander, both leaf and ground coriander, some paprika, olive oil, and as always salt and pepper. Let's get stuck in. Okay, we've got the cod now ready to go. What I've got here is a couple of dishes that we're going to dredge the cod through, and then we're going to sear it in a cast iron pan. So in the first bowl we've got 2 tablespoons of lemon, 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of oil. If you're cooking for more than 2, increase the volume. And finally, to get a nice crust, we've got plain flour, a tablespoon of ground cumin, ground coriander, paprika, and a little bit of coriander leaf as well. So we're going to dredge them through that bit of a conveyor belt into the pan, and then we're going to get those sealed off. 2 to 3 minutes each side. Don't throw away that lemon sauce, we'll need that for later on. Right, let's seal them off for a couple of minutes each side. Seared the cod. While you were away, I added a couple of garlic cloves there. The recipe said minced, so I haven't used a garlic crusher, I've just chopped them up really small. What we're going to do now is that's not what we're going to do, because I keep saying that. We'll add the rest of that lemon sauce that I said earlier to keep to the side. We're going to pour it all over, and we're going to put it in the oven 180 degrees for about 10 minutes until it's all lovely and cooked with all of those Greek style flavours. Okay, 10 minutes in the oven. I've just sprinkled it with a little bit of parsley. Now we're ready to dish up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peeps, helps the channel going, helps the channel keep going. But anyway, if you've got this far, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.